Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are doing good. Yes, children, did you all enjoy Diwali festival? Yes, enjoyed, right? Yes, now let us get back to our chapters, children. Means let us get back to your social class. Yes, children, in your previous class, I had started the chapter, the clothes we wear, right, children? Yes, in that lesson, we discussed about the clothes worn in India, right? And also, you learned many different types of clothes worn by the people in different places, right, children? And also, I had sent the images of the dresses also, right? Hope you all have seen that and understood. Now, now, let us continue the remaining part of the lesson. Open page number 41, children. Yes. See here in the image you can see different style of turbans worn in Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana respectively. See turbans I said no. Itale kattarala that one. So children in Rajasthan they use this type of turban and in Punjab they put this type of turban and in Haryana they put this type of turban. Understood? Yes. See this one children in this image a cap worn in Himachal Pradesh. So in Himachal Pradesh they use this type of caps. Understood? Yes. They wear this type of caps. Next one, what our women wear. So let us see what our women wear in India, children. Women in India wear a variety of colorful clothes. So in India, children, women wear variety of colors, right? ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ಹಬ್ಬ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆಂದ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಸ್ Sari is the most common piece of clothing. So sari is most common piece of clothing, children. Sari is most common, but it is worn in different ways in different states. But in different states, they wear in the different manner. Means they are worn in different ways. Understood? So in fact, from the way the sari is draped or tied, we can tell which state the woman belongs to. So, the way they wear the sari, by that we can know that they belong to which state. Like, for example, children, see, you can see Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, they wear this type of sari. No, not this type. The way of wearing the sari differs. For example, the way, see, in India, we wear children here, like this, right? Yes, in Gujarat they wear like this. So in Bengal they wear like this. So in Maharashtra they wear the sari like this way. Got it? The weave and design of the cloth also varies from state to state, and also the design of the cloth and the weave is nothing but children neyodu. Okay, that also differs from state to state. State in the state ke change agate. Yes. Let us look at some of the traditional clothes worn in different states of India. So in India, they wear some traditional clothes in different states of India. So let us see that, children. Women from Rajasthan in their traditional dress, Gagra, Kanchli and Odni. See, you can see up, children. This is the traditional dress of Rajasthan. And next one is Mekla Chadar is the traditional dress of women of Assam. So in Assam they wear this type of traditional dress. And next one is people from Nagaland in their traditional clothes. So in Nagaland their traditional dresses, this one children, they wear this type of traditional dress clothes in Nagaland. Understood? Yes, turn the page, children. Come to page number 42. Yes, here you can see Mandu blouse of Kerala and Gagra kurta of Haryana and Salwar Piran of Kashmir, Salwar Kameez and Dupatta of Punjab. Traditional dress of the women of Kutch, Gujarat. Understood? See, you can see here. Indians wear a variety of clothes these days. Yes, in India they wear variety of clothes, right, children? Yes. So an Indian wedding with the bride and groom wearing special clothes. Andre madve dressu. They are wearing special dress. See, you can see your Indian wedding. Wedding. Andre ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವಂಥ ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಎಸ್. Salwar kameez or chudidar kameez have become popular in many parts of the country. I had sent you the salwar kameez image, children. I hope you have seen that. So that has become popular in many parts of our country. It has become very famous in our country. The people of India, especially women like wearing their traditional clothes. Western clothes such as trousers, shirts, jeans, t-shirts, skirts and jackets have also become popular among both men and women. So the people of India, especially women, like wearing their traditional clothes. So in India, what type of dress do women like, children? She like to wear traditional clothes. And western clothes also they wear in India, such as trousers, shirts, jeans, t-shirts, skirts and jackets, and have also become very famous among both men and women. Even that type of dresses have become common in India and become famous in India. Both men and women, both of them wear those type of dresses also, children. Understood? Yes. Did you know in Nagaland there are many tribes who can be recognized by the designs, stripes and colors of their shawls? Understood? In Nagaland, children, there are many tribes. So by their dresses, by their designs, by their stripes, we can find out their and colors of the shawls. Because of their dressing sense, we can find out from which tribe do they belong to. Understood? Yes. So what do you mean by tribes, children? Tribes are nothing but, children, a social group comprising numerous families. Means in Kannada they tell as Budakattu Jananganu, that one. Understood? Yes. On weddings and other special occasions, many people wear traditional clothes and jewelry. Each state has a special bridal wear. Yes, children, on weddings and other special occasions, on weddings and all, many people wear traditional clothes, right? And also they wear jewelries, right? Yes. And also on other special occasions. What do you mean by occasions, children? Occasion is nothing but an event, it might be, or any ceremony or any celebrations. We do some of the functions, right? Yes, that one. For that we can call it as occasion. Okay, so in that programs, in functions also we wear traditional dress and also jewels, right? Yes. And each state has special bridal wear. Means in each state they wear different type of dresses for their wedding. Wedding is nothing but for marriage. Yes, as you know, in Karnataka there is different type of wedding dress, right? In the same sense, in other states there are different type of wedding dresses. Understood, children? Yes, children, hope you all have understood this chapter. Yes, so read the lesson once again, try to understand and try to read the tough words, children, and later on I will be sending you the notes in the WhatsApp, so please complete your notes. Understood? Don't waste your time. Now Deepavali festival is over and now start studying, children, and do also complete all your notes. Don't keep your notes incomplete. Understood? Yes, children. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.